JINKANG Electromechanical Group is located in the electrical motor manufacturing intensive place of China, Changzhou City of Jiangsu Province, with strategic location, which has Shanghai-Nanjing Railway and Shanghai-Nanjing Expressway passing through and is only 150 kilometers away from Shanghai, and convenient transportation belonging to China's economically developed areas. After vigorous development for many years, JINKANG Electromechanical Group has become an integrated, high-tech, comprehensive enterprise group of design, production and sales of motor manufacturing equipments, motors and electrical product performance test systems. Highly qualified staffs, sophisticated manufacturing and testing equipments contribute to the success of JINKANG Electromechanical Group, winning honorary titles of High-Tech Enterprise, AAA credit rating, Patent Outstanding Enterprise in China. JINKANG Electromechanical Group has 4 subsidiaries. Changzhou JINKANG Automation and Technology Company Limited is the core company of JINKANG Electromechanical Group and one of the backbone enterprises designing, manufacturing and marketing special equipment for motor manufacturing in China. Currently, it has more than 320 employees and 20,000 square meters of offices and workshops. The company owns the design and production capacities of complete AC motor-used stator manufacturer equipment, from winding to the final forming of the stator, and can provide all customers with high-quality products. Changzhou New District JINKANG Precision Machinery Company Limited is mainly engaged in design, production, and sales of special molds for manufacturer of motors. Currently, it has more than 140 employees and 8,000 square meters of offices and workshops. Changzhou Chanlong Electronic Technology Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise especially engaged in development, production and sales of electric motors and electrical automatic testing systems and equipment. The company focuses on overcoming technical difficulties, forming its own unique technology. Currently, it has more than 40 employees and 2,000 square meters of offices and workshops. Changzhou Rosetta Stone Import and Export Company Limited is an integrated, comprehensive trading company of import, export and transport of motor manufacturing equipments and motor testing equipments under the flag of JINKANG Electromechanical Group. First-class research and development team is the fundamental guarantee for enterprise development. JINKANG Electromechanical Group has a large number of technical staff with many years of manufacturing experience and makes great efforts to train professional equipment designers and developers through the development and computer-aided manufacturing systems to make fast and efficient design and manufacture of various electrical appliances. First-class production equipment is the qualifying guarantee for products provided by JINKANG Electromechanical Group. JINKANG Electromechanical Group has more than 100 sets of dedicated production equipment, including machining centers, West Germany surface grinder, optical curve grinder, and spline grinding, etc., and more than 10 units of measuring and testing equipments, including 3 coordinate measuring machines, universal tool microscopes, Rockwell hardness testers, and so on. First-class management system is the fundamental guarantee for development and growth of JINKANG Electromechanical Group in the fierce market competition. JINKANG Electromechanical Group continuously improves the management level and obtains the ISO 9000 Quality Management System certification. At present, JINKANG Electromechanical Group has formed complete product series. One category is motor manufacturing equipment, including coil winding machine, slot insulation machine, coil inserting machine, forming machine, coil lacing machine, special tooling, and other spare parts, and so on. The other category is the motor and electrical product performance testing system, including the stator detection system, the electrical motor detection system, armature test system, and so on. A number of products win high-tech product certificate and the Utility New Patent certificate. With strong technical force and perfect quality assurance system, JINKANG Electromechanical Group provides customers with high-quality products. As the main supplier of induction motor manufacturing equipment in China, the The group exports the equipments to Europe, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Middle and South America, Africa, and other regions through Changzhou Rosetta Stone Import and Export Company Limited, and has been invited to participate in the domestic and foreign exhibitions, and maintains good trade relationships with a lot of quality customers. Through combination with many well-known brands, JINKANG Electromechanical Group can meet a variety of needs of domestic and international large, medium, and small manufacturers. JINKANG Electromechanical Group will consistently work together with users to create excellent brand in the industry. In the dog-eat-dog technology wave, JINKANG Electromechanical Group is like a pilot ship in the world, buffeting the waves through the waves and setting sail and crossing the sea, and is determined to become a leading enterprise of professional motor manufacturing equipment suppliers.